Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Zealous tutorials. So today we're going to be looking at Rain Above It All by Bethel Music. So I believe the song is in the key of A major. Right, so song is quite a simple song. First of all, I'm just going to go over all the chords that we will be using in this track. Okay, so the first chord is a D major. I've had some people ask me, why do I say it's a D major chord when I'm playing an F sharp, A, and D? Well, that's because I inverted the chord. This is in root position. Simply take the A, put it at bottom, take this F sharp and play it here. And we end up with an inverted D major chord. Sounds way better than playing it in root position. Okay, so the next chord is a F sharp minor. Well, this is a F sharp minor 7. You can remove the 5th. Next chord is a A major chord. You can include the 2 if you want. Next chord is the E major. Once again, this is root position, and we just simply inverted that chord. You may see me playing a D major 7 instead of a D. And as a passing chord, we are using A over C sharp major. So this is going to be one of our passing chords. Alright, so let's get started with the intro. Okay, so let me just play through the intro and then I'll explain what we are doing. Okay, so it goes something like this. Okay, so as you can see, it's just 3 chords. And I'm trying to maintain this melody on the right hand. Okay, so we start on the D major, but I'm playing the 2 of D, which is E, which is up here. So I'm trying to maintain this melody. When I go to F sharp minor 7, I'm not playing the C sharp, so I'm playing it like this without the 5th. And when you get to E major, I'm playing a sharp voicing. So once again, I don't have the 3rd. This is how I would play E major, but this is how I'm playing it for the intro. So all together, it sounds like. So now we head over into the verse. So the verse is the same progression as the intro. So the same thing we did in the intro, we're playing it throughout the whole verse. Okay, so now when we get into the chorus, above it all. So when you get to that part, now the progression changes. So we start off with the A major chord. You reign above it all, you reign above it all. So we play the A major chord for 8 beats, basically 2 counts of 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then we play a passing chord, which is A over C sharp into D. Into E major, and then back to D, and we end on A. You reign above it all, you reign above it all, over the universe. Jesus, you reign above it all. Excuse me, I do not know the lyrics, and neither am I a singer. I'm just singing over that so you have a better understanding of where I am. So you can use this passing chord twice actually. So the first time is when you're coming from the A. You play the passing chord now into D. And then you go to E. You can use the passing chord again back to D. And then we end it on the A. You reign above it all. Okay, so at this point, this is where we head over into the bridge. So the bridge starts off with the F sharp minor, F sharp minor 7, if you like, into D major 7, into A major, and we end off with the E major. So that's basically the whole song. It's just mainly 3 progressions actually. Very simple if you already know these chords. What I would say is, if you're a beginner, it's very important that you try and learn chord inversions. They really help with sort of voice leading. Instead of jumping around the keyboard from the first to like the fifth, you can really cut down the jumping around just by simple chord changes, and they make it sound way better than playing root positions. So that's me from Zealous Tutorials. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure that you subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.